All right, so you met Tamara and David, all the way to the right. Now we're putting them against another couple, Andrew and Michelle O'Connor, in a couple's taste-off challenge. Let's see how well the men know their ladies.
Oh.
Okay, so the men are going to start. So men, we're going to ask you a question. You have to write the answer on the board. If your wife says something,
the same thing
on the board, you earn a point.
Kind of like honeymooners on TV? Right.
The couple with the most correct answers win.
Before we jump into that though, the new couple are actually storytellers at
the pop-up.
The pop-up.
Yes, we were.
Okay, so you have to tell us a little bit about that. They are Andrew O'Connor and Michael O'Connor. Michelle O'Connor, my apologies. And you guys...
Is the writing?
You guys... Yes. You guys actually are pop-up storytellers.
Yes, we
What
were.
does that mean?
Well, we actually joined Felicity at the second staging of the pop-up date night, where we were a part of the panel. So initially she said apart from coming together and tasting food and hanging out and spending quality time, you get to hear stories from other couples. So we were her special guests the last night.
I thought it was like Anansi stories.
Oh, no.
Well, who knows? What has marriage been like for you, or your relationship been like?
It has been an excellent experience for me, and because it not only helps us to grow, but it helps us to grow so we can impart it on our son. So, you know,
One
it's
son?
one.
Not three.
Guys, them can check.
Catching up.
Yeah.
Let's catch up.
So that has been good.
Andrew?
Marriage has been a journey, a very good journey so far. You know, a lot of ups and downs. So it's not all peaches and cream, which is what a lot of people think. It's not very boring, which is what another set of people think, you know. So it's a little bit of both.
You know what I notice? Whenever the wives are speaking, they're like this.
Yeah, because they love them wives.
Yeah, man. I love seeing it.
Because we're trained.
Well, if that's not the truth, I don't know what is.
All
Good,
right.
good, very good.
Ready?
Okay, let's get into this part, because this part sounds like it's going to be fun.
Andrew?
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you an option. You have to write what you think is your wife's answer to the question. And then afterwards, your wife will reveal what is the question. So what is the answer? So we'll see how well you know your wives.
No pressure.
So don't make them see the paper. David, hide your paper, because Tamara look like she out for a check.
So we ask them all at once?
Yeah, man, we're
And
asking
then
all at
reveal at
once.
the end.
Yes. All right. For your wife, what would she prefer in each of the following options? Fried chicken or hamburger? Dum dum dum. Don't come on there.
Second one.
Next question.
Ice cream or cherry pie?
Next up, beef stew or chicken soup?
Them quick, you know.
I tell you, them not eat, you know, them not even have to think about it.
Coffee or tea?
David done, you know. David, speed
David
king.
done?
Yeah. I just got it. Oh, look at that. Pasta or bread? Some thought went into that one.
Next one. Caesar
Wait, them not
salad.
done right. David not done.
All right. Caesar salad or pasta salad?
What's pasta salad?
Like mix up macaroni and mayonnaise and like pasta salad where you get in a food or roadside. Can't tell him not eat roadside food. Yeah, him wife cook.
Good food.
Last up.
No man, we have one bonus after this.
Oh. Yeah. Oxtail or stew peas?
Alright, the bonus one. When Andrew finish.
Oh, it's not. Okay, go.
Would she prefer to go to the river or the beach? I like this.
All right, here we go. First question. Let's start with Andrew. Andrew, what would have your wife preferred? Fried chicken or hamburger? Let her answer.
Fried chicken.
What did you write? Mama said oh, he actually did say chicken. You have to take David on that. We're not trusting. We're not
Thank you,
trusting.
sir.
It's a pencil. Let's
Thank
get
you,
them.
sir.
Rub it out. He actually did say chicken. So 1 point. Ting ting. David, what would your wife prefer? Hamburger or chicken?
Hamburger.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, them know them.
Alright, so 1-1.
Next up, Ice cream or
cherry pie.
Cherry pie? What
Cherry
would you
pie.
prefer? Your wife said she would like a scoop of ice cream. Thank you very much.
No, you don't want cherry pie. You want ice cream.
And I don't want it.
Next up,
David?
I know for me to. Okay. Ice cream.
cherry
cherry
pie.
pie?
Why you gentlemen think of this cherry pie ice cream back and forth? Okay, next up, chicken soup or beef stew?
Chicken soup.
And he definitely said chicken soup.
Tomorrow.
Chicken soup.
She's, yeah.
Of course.
Two.
Coffee or tea?
Tea.
Yeah, no wife said tea.
Coffee.
So they're tied, eh?
No? 3-2.
Achoo?
Yeah.
Deal. Here we go. Pasta or bread?
Pasta.
He got it right. He said pasta.
Tomorrow.
David wrote bread.
Baby, you know that I don't like to eat bread.
I'm a little bit shocked because when we go, the bread always finished.
That's true. The bread always finishes.
Maybe it was available at the time.
Yeah. All right, so
Okay.
the next one.
Caesar salad or pasta salad?
Caesar salad.
Yes, he definitely got you right. He's got you down.
Caesar salad.
Yep, they got that one. This was the problem one, right? Where everybody
Yeah,
goes,
everybody's like,
oxtail or stew peas?
Oxtail.
Yes, definitely. Boy, never know about the husband that because he got you.
No competition. Oxtail.
No competition. She wants an oxtail.
All
He
right, so
definitely
the
got
score
that.
right
The bonus
now is
yes.
5-4. No, man, I have 5. 6-4, all right. So the bonus question gives you 2 points.
6, 7, yes.
6-4?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, the bonus question gives you 2 points. And so we're 6-4. So you can tie it up.
And then we'll break the time. Which would she prefer to go to? The river or the beach?
The beach.
And of course, her husband, with no doubt in his mind, wrote the word beach.
No competition. Beach.
All right, but as it is, they both got it right. So right now we are at 8-4, 8-6, 8-6. Here we go. So far, we know that you both know your wives very well. But I'm going to ask a question here, and this one is for...
wives?
Yes, this
You
one
wanna
is
get
for
him
the
by the
wives.
thing?
Yeah, get him.
Right. I love this game.
Ready? What would your husband prefer to wear? Jeans or slacks?
Oh, we don't have to write it?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, it, no.
Jeans or slacks? Finish? Next up. What does your husband prefer to see you in? Dresses or pants? Oh dear. Oh my. Would you look at that?
No, Andrew, man. I want to go like him say. I prefer nothing.
And this is our open-ended question. What's your husband's favorite meal? Watch your essay, all right? And that was your last question. Please hand over your boards because this is TV and time is short. Thank you very much. Let's go. Ba-ba-bam. First question. What would your husband prefer to wear? Jeans or slacks? What do you prefer to wear?
Jeans.
Oh, and she got it.
Yeah, man.
Definitely.
I don't know if I'm going to feel this one.
Aw. What would your husband prefer to see you in? Dress or pants?
Pants.
Yes, sir. But she right, both are hot. Cause she knows she hot, right? What would you prefer to see your wife in? Ooh. Just this
And
one.
it's illustrated here. We have
You
one
can
pants.
see that,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. And what is your husband's favorite meal?
Stupid.
Yes! Yeah, you cook stew peas very
Yes.
well, no? Okay. Curry chicken. Woo, and she's specific, you know. She got it down to the foot. Curry chicken. Put you and specify what kind of food. Guys, you guys are a wonderful representation of what marriage should look like. And we wish you the best. When is your anniversary?
July 15th.
Okay, full
July
on
15th.
fire.
Yes.
But still, happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for stopping by. This was fun.
Yes, it
I
was.
appreciated it. You ready for marriage?
Me? Long
Him
time.
same ready, guys. Send in your application.
No, man, it's application. You're mad. You want to come there? Come.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Apologies. Don't send in none. Please don't send in none. Please take it.
You're mad. You want to come there? Come
I'm
strong.
so sorry. I'm sorry.
We could have played this game, you know.
Oh, me and you?
Yeah.
Because we work together so much,
Yeah.
you would probably know the answers anyway.
Sakina's favorite food.
What's my
Saltfish and the saltfish and a breadfruit.
Yes.
Yeah.
God, I'm ready. Take too
Favorite
long.
drink, Milo.
Yeah?
Go for a break. Go for a break. Go for a break. So come back.